my name is Gary A. Dragnet. Today I will be teaching you guys how to make like a fruit salad, something like that. So let's start. So first things first, when you're cooking, you must always wash your hands, always. Because I washed my and touched other things, and obviously there will be germs, so I'm just redoing it. So first rinse the fruits. This is orange. This is mango. These are cucumbers. And these are tangerines, mandarins, whatever you call them. And I'll just help them last. Okay, for the last one, the big one, really heavy. It's very heavy. Done. So we're going to move them to a table down there. Yes. Since they're a lot, I'll just put them in a tray. And I'll put them on the table so it'll be easier for me, because I don't want to waste time and keep on coming back and coming back and forth. It's going to be annoying now. So I have put everything on this table. I will now proceed to cut them. And also, we already washed the chopping board. I just didn't show that on camera. So yeah, I have the seed. Okay, sorry. I forgot to cut the ends. You must always cut up the ends if they're necessary, if it's necessary. It smells really fresh, you know. So some benefits of mango is it can actually prevent you from oh my god, I think I made a mistake somewhere. Because of the seed, it's way much harder to get it out. It's like an avocado, you know. Yikes. So let's just see if we can get everything up. Honestly, when I eat mango, I love like eating the excess of the seed, because I don't know, it tastes way much better than just the real mango itself. I hope I didn't ruin this. Okay, let's just keep the excess on the tray so I can have more space. I will just it's very mushy, and I do not like mushy textures. Well, sometimes I do. Oopsies. Okay, I think this one is wrong, I'm not sure. It's really mushy. It's working. We all know that fruit is very good in general, so please eat your fruit, because if you eat them, you go strong and healthy. This is all sloppy. Let's just keep it here. Let's get these ones. And now onto the main mango. Tell me if you guys like mango, because personally I don't really like mango. Like especially if it's like mango juice, mango anything. I don't really find this fascinating any sort of way, but I like it when it's like a real fruit itself. It's pretty good, you know? Fresh. I feel bad for this mango because it's all mushy. And and the excess one that is stuck on the skin, we won't throw that away. We'll probably eat it. So yeah, because it's not good to waste food at all in any circumstance. I hope the next one will come out great, because this one definitely did not come out great at all. It came out horrible. Look at how mushy it is. Well, let's keep it there, and now, onto the biggest mango. I think I want to have a new strategy, but let's see. Finally was able to cut the mango open, but it's quite difficult to cut it out because of this seed. So I really don't know how I want to do that, but this is not nice at all. It's coming. I got a little help from my parents, and they gave me advice on how I should cut it because of the seed. Yes, it's looking very unappetizing because it is very, very mushy, but at least it came out better now. All we need to do is cut it and we're done. So now guys, we're finally done with the mangoes. Took a really long time. Now we're moving on to the melon. So first things first, we are going to cut off the sides, of course. Stand it up and cut it in half. It's very, very hard. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Melon is very, very rich in vitamin. It's quite rich in vitamin B and has some other. And it has like some anti-aging and stuff. But all in all, melon is really good for you. So if you want to eat a fruit that has quite some amount of vitamin B, make sure you try melon. So some other fruits I'll be talking about some of the other fruit I will cut later on in the video. For example, oranges is very good for the heart, and tangerines, whatever you call them. It's very good for the heart, and It's very sweet, so overall again, oranges are very good fruits. It's always good to eat fruits, but it's also not good to eat too much of fruits because fruits have their own sugar. So eating too much of that sugar is also not good for you because, well, why would you want to eat too much sugar? It's not good for your health. So we're cutting the melon. Smaller. So we will be only using half of the melon because we want to eat the rest later. And get every single last bit of the out. Also, please always have adult supervision. If you're ever using any sharp objects like knives, scissors, anything sharp, always have adult supervision. I can use this by myself because I already have adult supervision and I have been using knife for some while, so I'm quite used to it and I know how to use it, so that's not really a big of a deal for me right now. Okay, that was easy, really easy. I didn't get hurt. Let's be clean. We're going on to the last one of these and we'll move on to the cucumbers. And we're almost. Then stop. As I said, we're moving on to the cucumbers. So we have 2 cucumbers. So we're going to cut them quite thinly. You can remove the back if you want, but sometimes we remove it, sometimes we don't. Right now I am not removing the back, I'm just cutting them. And also notice that I am not cutting them too thick because I don't know, I just don't want to use this too thick, you know, because then, I don't know, just be weird. So, remove the back part because we cannot eat that part. Cucumbers are very, very good for you because they have a lot of vitamins in them, and if you're going on a weight loss journey or you want to slow down anything, you don't really good for you. Okay, now for the last ones, the tangerines, or mandarins, or oranges, whatever you call them. I really love orange tangerines. I don't know, I feel like they're better than oranges. I don't know about you guys, but I personally feel like they taste way better than oranges do because, well, they're way much easier to peel and also stuff out an orange. You could basically just like cut it in half and start eating. Here, cutting it out. Another thing to keep in mind when you are cutting these tangerines, if you're adding them to your own salad, is that you don't always have to remove the white thing on the stem or something like that. I don't really know what they're called, but it's not always a must to remove them. It's edible actually. Well, we personally love removing because of my little sister. She doesn't like those things, so we basically just peel them off anytime we see them. Now we're just gonna peel them off and put them in the bowl. Well, they're sticking to my hands because my hands are wet. So, yeah. Since my dad is a doctor, he said eating those things is even better if they are not peeled off, so that's good. So guys, so we're basically done with this, and we're just gonna mix it up all in general and eat it like that. But with your taste, you can add yogurt if you like. You can add milk, anything. Just feel free. Just feel free. Try other different ingredients. So that's it, guys, for today. If you guys love this video, and you guys want to show me that, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. See you guys in our next video. So guys, we're done. I decided we'll add yogurt. This is for my dad, my little sister, and for my mom. I will just add a little bit of it. Just a little, you know? I'm not sure if they'll like yogurt with it, so I'm just adding a little. I won't add in that one because it's for my mom's.